How to fix can't install DirectX in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix can't install DirectX on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Windows button, press on the Windows button, and then you need to search for Device Manager. It's the same process in Windows 10 or 11. So search for the Device Manager, click on it, and here you will have your Device Manager. You just need to simply go with Display Adapters. Under Display Adapters, go with the adapter which is giving you the problem. Right click on it, and then you need to go with Uninstall Device. Once you go with Uninstall Device, you just need to simply restart your computer. Once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, go with the second solution, which is you need to go with Windows and search for Settings. So search for Settings and then open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the Windows Update, which will be on the upper right. Click on the Windows Update, or you can go with Update and Security, which will take you to the Windows Update. So you just need to simply go with Windows Update, and here you will have Check for Update. You just need to simply go with Check for Update and update your Windows. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is to go with the link which is in the description, and you need to install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. So go with the link which is in the description, and after that it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply go with the version which is suitable for your laptop or your PC and go and download it. Once you've downloaded, you can run it, and once you've run, your problem might be fixed. So these are the fixes on how you can install DirectX on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.